Feeling stiff, tight, or low on energy? The problem might not be your age. It could be your mobility. Today, we're going through a simple, daily mobility workout you can do right at home to help your body move better, feel looser, and stay active for years to come. And don't worry, every exercise includes a knee-friendly alternative, making this routine perfect for beginners, older adults, and anyone dealing with joint discomfort. At All Ages Fitness channel, healthy movement is for everyone. Let's get started. Warm up, 3 to 5 minutes. March in place. Start by marching slowly in place. Swing your arms naturally and keep your chest lifted. This helps increase circulation, warm up your joints, and gently wake up the body. Breathe steadily and stay relaxed. Continue for about 1 minute. Arm circles. Extend your arms out to the sides. Make slow forward circles. Then reverse directions. This exercise improves shoulder mobility and reduces stiffness from sitting or poor posture. Perform for 30 seconds in each direction. Hip circles. Place your hands on your hips. Slowly rotate your hips in large circles. Move with control and avoid rushing. Hip mobility is essential for walking, balance, and lower back comfort. Perform for 30 seconds each direction. Gentle torso twists. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Slowly rotate side to side. Allow your arms to swing naturally. This movement helps loosen the spine and improve rotational mobility. Continue for 1 minute. Ankle rolls. Lift one foot slightly off the ground. Rotate the ankle slowly. Then switch directions. Repeat on the opposite side. Healthy ankles improve balance and walking stability. Main mobility workout. Number 1, cat-cow stretch. Come onto your hands and knees. Slowly arch your back while lifting your chest and looking slightly upward. Then round your spine and tuck your chin toward your chest. Move slowly with your breathing. This exercise improves spinal flexibility, posture, and back mobility. Perform 8 to 10 repetitions. Knee-friendly alternative. If kneeling feels uncomfortable, perform seated cat-cow movements in a chair. Place your hands on your knees. Arch and round your back slowly while seated. Number 2, world's greatest stretch. Step 1 foot forward into a gentle lunge position. Place one hand on the floor or on a chair for support. Rotate your upper body toward the front leg and reach upward. This movement targets the hips, hamstrings, spine, and shoulders all at once. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds on each side. Knee-friendly alternative. Reduce the depth of the lunge. You can also place both hands on a chair or countertop for extra support and balance. Number 3, deep squat hold. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Slowly lower into a comfortable squat position. Keep your chest lifted and heels grounded. This movement improves hip mobility, ankle flexibility, and lower body movement quality. Hold for 20 to 40 seconds. Knee-friendly alternative. Supported chair hip opener. Stand behind a sturdy chair or countertop. Hold lightly for support. Step 1 foot slightly backward. Push your hips back gently while keeping your chest tall. Return to standing slowly. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions on each side. This variation reduces knee pressure while still improving hip mobility and stability. Number 4. Glute bridges. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Press through your heels and lift your hips upward. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Lower slowly with control. Strong glutes help support the lower back, hips, and knees. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions. Reduce the lifting height if needed. Focus on slow, controlled movement instead of lifting too high. Number 5. Shoulder wall slides. Stand with your back against a wall. Place your arms against the wall in a goalpost position. Slowly slide your arms upward. Then return to the starting position. This exercise improves posture, shoulder mobility, and upper back activation. Perform 10 repetitions. You may also perform it seated against a wall if standing becomes tiring. Number 6. Bird dog. Start on your hands and knees. Extend one arm forward while extending the opposite leg backward. Keep your hips level and your core engaged. Pause briefly, then switch sides. This exercise improves balance, coordination, and core stability. Perform 8 to 10 repetitions per side. Knee-friendly alternative. Perform seated arm and leg extensions while sitting upright in a chair. Extend opposite arm and leg slowly. Maintain posture and control throughout the movement. Number 7. Standing hip openers. Stand tall and lift one knee upward. Rotate the knee outward slowly. Return to the starting position with control. This movement improves hip mobility, balance, and walking mechanics. Perform 10 repetitions on each side. Knee-friendly alternative. Hold on to a wall or chair for support. Reduce the height of the knee lift if needed. Cool down. Forward fold stretch. Slowly bend forward and allow your upper body to relax. Keep a soft bend in the knees if needed. This stretch helps release tension in the back and hamstrings. Chest opener stretch. Clasp your hands gently behind your back. Open the chest and pull the shoulders backward slightly. This helps improve posture and reduce upper body tightness. Seated spinal twist. Sit comfortably in a chair or on the floor. Rotate gently to one side. Hold briefly, then switch sides. This improves spinal mobility and flexibility. Deep breathing. Finish with slow, deep breaths. Inhale through the nose. Exhale slowly through the mouth. Allow your body to relax and recover. Consistency is what keeps the body moving well. Even just 10 to 20 minutes a day can help improve flexibility, reduce stiffness, and support healthy aging. Remember, move at your own pace, avoid pain, and focus on quality movement over speed. If you enjoyed this workout, make sure to like the video, subscribe to All Ages Fitness channel, and share this video with someone who wants to move and feel better every day. Comment below how you feel after this routine. Thanks for watching. See you in the next workout.